All right, this is the Hills Brothers Cappuccino English Toffee Mix. They said that this was one of Queen Elizabeth II's favorites, and we have a saying in our house, good enough for Queen Elizabeth II, good enough for Randy. The container itself is plastic, the lid is plastic, and it's sealed on top, and there's foil on top to keep it fresh. And I'm gonna tell you right now, as soon as you open this and get a whiff of it, if you like the smell of English toffee, you're gonna go crazy. I love this stuff. So this can be drank a couple of different ways. If you want to drink it alone as just a cappuccino mix, you can put 3.5 tablespoons in here, and then you just add hot water to it. Or if you want, you can add this to your coffee in place of creamer to give it an extra English toffee taste to it, and I've done that and it tastes fantastic. There's 170 calories per serving in here, something to take note of. 32 grams of carbs, 22 grams of sugar. Oh boy, is that good. So if you're looking for a late night treat, or you just want to spice up your regular coffee in the morning or afternoon or evening, Hills Brothers Cappuccino English Toffee Mix, it is fantastic.